Before you skip this video, ask yourself one question. When the world's richest man says AI can create a full-length Odyssey movie, think about that for just a second. Not a trailer, not a 30-second animation, an actual cinematic experience on a scale that was once possible only for billion-dollar Hollywood studios. If AI can create an Odyssey-style cinematic experience, imagine what it could build. For you, software, apps, games, businesses, entire marketing campaigns, million-dollar products, this is where everything changes, because you are no longer asking AI to help you work. You're asking AI to help you build. History has a funny way of repeating itself. The internet changed everything. Smartphones changed everything. Social media changed everything. And now, artificial intelligence is doing it again. The companies that recognize these shifts early usually become the leaders. The ones that ignore them spend years trying to catch up. The opportunity isn't coming. It's already here. And history has shown us the people who move first usually benefit the most. The only question is, will you build with it or watch someone else build first? Imagine waking up tomorrow, typing one sentence, and watching AI build something people are willing to pay you for. Imagine typing one prompt and watching AI build a Hollywood-style movie, a software app, a complete website, a high-converting sales funnel, a YouTube channel, a viral Instagram campaign, or even an entire online business before your coffee gets cold. Just imagine what that could mean for your business, for your income, for your future. Not because AI replaced you, but because AI multiplied what you can create. This is exactly why the entire AI world is talking about one model, Grok 4.5, Elon Musk's most powerful AI model. Because Grok isn't simply helping people write faster, it's helping people think bigger, create faster, solve harder problems, and build things that once required entire teams. People aren't switching because it's new, they're switching because they're getting results. That's why entrepreneurs, creators, agencies, freelancers, developers, and marketers are all exploring what Grok can really do. Because this isn't just another AI tool, it's part of the next technological revolution. But there's one problem. Getting access to the best AI is becoming ridiculously expensive. You pay for Grok, then ChatGPT, then Claude, then Gemini, then another upgrade, another subscription, another monthly bill. Before you know it, you're spending hundreds of dollars every month just to keep using AI. And every new release usually means paying all over again. That's exactly why we created GrokPrime AI. Get lifetime access to Elon Musk's most powerful AI model, Grok 4.5, without paying expensive monthly fees, including every current and future Grok AI model. You also get access to Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Kimi, and more from one powerful AI workspace. One login, one dashboard, no switching tabs, no opening multiple AI websites. Everything exactly where you need it. Now imagine what Grok could build for you. Hollywood-style movies, AI software, professional websites, sales funnels, YouTube videos, shorts, Instagram reels, TikTok content, Facebook posts, LinkedIn content, marketing assets, premium designs, podcasts, music, digital products, everything from one powerful AI workspace. And here's the best part. Look around. Every business needs a website, needs content, needs videos, needs marketing. Now imagine being able to create all of them from one prompt. You're not just creating things, you're creating things businesses already pay for. Use them for yourself or sell them on Fiverr, Upwork, to local businesses, to clients around the world, and keep 100% of the profits. So, the choice is simple. Keep paying monthly for multiple AI subscriptions or unlock lifetime access to GrokPrime AI. One payment, no recurring fees. Every current Grok model, every future Grok AI model, multiple premium AI models, commercial license included. Click the button below, choose your license, activate your account today. Start building with Grok 4.5 and discover what happens when the world's most powerful AI starts working for you. Try GrokPrime AI completely risk-free. You're protected by our 30-day no questions asked money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love it, simply let us know within the next 30 days, and we'll refund every penny. No hassle, no questions, no risk. We'll see you inside.